Hey guys, how you going? Hey, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new DELONGHI Distinta kettle. I know, it's not my normal drone stuff. Something a bit different. This is from the DELONGHI Distinta range. Thought if anyone out there is looking at buying one of these, then they can have a quick squiz, see how long she takes to boil a cup of water. So this is a really good kettle for you guys and girls out there that want to do cups of tea at a certain temperature. So you've got your on-off switch. Apparently this one you can set the temperature between 75 and 100 degrees. So little buttons here, 75, 80, etc. up to 100. And it's also got a warm button, which means it'll maintain the selected temperature for a good 20 minutes. Okay, 2.4 kilos gross weight. It's the DELONGHI type KBI 2011.BK, whatever that means. BK obviously means black. I think you can get these in red as well, I'm not sure. But I've got the black one, so while you guys flick over, let's check it out, see what's going on in here. Okay, we've got a bit of packaging. Don't need that. Kettle instructions for use. For those of you who like reading instructions, not me. The standard warranty card, very good. So we've got a little bit of a cloth packaging here, nice. There's our kettle. Oh. And that's it. DELONGHI, better every day. Design your breakfast. Oh look, you can get an app store or Play Store app. Not too sure what it would actually do, but anyway. So, standard plug winder upper underneath, so you can set it to your desired length and then clip it under there and you're ready to go. Okay, so I'll show you guys how long it takes to boil. What are we going to say? Max 1.7. So that's see 1.7 litres possibly. 0.8, 800 ml one, 1.2, 1.5, 1.7 litre maximum. A pretty sturdy design. It's got a nice matte type finish, which means the finger marks are going to not show up as much, which is pretty good. Little lid with a plastic clip and rubber ring, so they can go in any way you want by the look of it. No drama, doesn't fall off. The spout does have a filter, which yes, you can remove to clean, so that's pretty cool. This one's quite easy to put in with the removable lid. My other kettle you had to work your way around the lid that flipped on the hinge, but it's quite a nice design. Pretty light, 3.4 kilos roughly. So down here, the buttons like I spoke of earlier. We've got our on-off button. Just plug it in and see what's going on. Oh, it beeps at you. Check that out. Beeped at me. So, on off. Let's turn it on. And turn it off. Okay. So maybe that means it's on standby until we put the kettle on. Yeah, we'll turn them off. Okay, so it must be just like an on-off switch. We'll work on that in a minute. So contact points underneath. It's plastic there, it's metal. So you're going to put the kettle on. Down here we have your 75 degrees, 80, 85, 90 and 100 degrees, and that's our maintain warmth button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in here 1.0, which I'm sort of thinking is a litre of water, but it doesn't look like it's a litre. Let's fill her up with some water. Okay, so I've just put in 0.8 of a litre, 800, or it's actually under 800 ml of water, certainly more than enough to have a couple of cups of coffee with. Okay, so let's fire up and see how long it takes to boil just over half a litre of water. Turn them on, 100 degrees. Probably add on about 5 seconds. Looks like the light pulses while it's on the boil. 25 seconds so far, or thereabouts. And she's off. While it's boiling, I did notice here down at the temperature gauge, recommended temperatures. If you're thinking about having a green tea, you'll be looking at 75 degrees. A jasmine tea, you'll be looking at about 80 degrees. And oolong tea, I don't know what the hell that is, it's 85 degrees. Instant coffee, 90. So you don't want your coffee water to be boiled. 100. Instant beverages that call for boiling water. Anything. Any tea, I reckon, needs boiling water. So I've been going for about a minute 25, 26 now. She's about to boil. Pretty quiet. Not too much noise at all, actually. It's really good. Okay, so I'd say it's boiling now. It's a minute 45, it's about a minute 50, so I'd probably say nearly 2 minutes for 800 ml of water. There we go to the boil. And turn off. Any minute now. Oh, it beeps at you when it's ready to be removed. So I suppose if you want to keep it at 100 degrees, you push your heat button and it should, it'll keep it boiling. So I'll probably keep it boiling forever until it evaporates and turns itself off because it's about to catch fire. I'm not sure. So when she's reached the desired temperature, it has a nice little beep. I'll push to maintain the heat button, so I'm not too sure if it's going to recycle that again, because it did state it's going to maintain that temperature for 20 minutes, which is 100 degrees, so I imagine shortly it'll drop down in temperature and fire up again. But I'm not going to bore you with that today, we all know. It's pretty cool. So once she's boiled, turn them off. Serve away. Have a brew. Everyone's happy. No worries. Awesome. Hope you got something out of this, guys. So the DeLonghi Distinta. Not a bad little kettle. I reckon it's going to do us pretty well. I'm going to finish my beer. Check out some other videos coming up soon, and hey, take it easy. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.